Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 1994 Volkswagen Corrado SLC VR6. Oh, this is so cool. These are cars that I heard about. They were already done being made when I was born. Never thought I'd get to drive one. And I never thought I'd get to drive one this clean. Also, that's the coolest door chime ever. Oh, I love this car. I love this car so much. Alright. Let's go for a ride. 5-speed manual. The VR6 is one of the best sounding V6s out there. I don't know what exhaust is on this one, but it has made this thing sound so good. It's almost addicting. It sounds like a GTR. Auto windows, didn't expect that, but it does have heated seats, so. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love this car. This is so fun. Oh my God. Talk about a car that's you can't find anymore. A V6 front-wheel drive manual hot hatch. Closest thing we had to it was the Accord Coupe V6, and they killed that off in 2018. And yeah, you have, you know, the Golf GTI and all that stuff that makes more power than this now, but horsepower figures don't tell the whole story. Example's got 72,000 miles on it, which is very low for the year. It's in absolutely awesome condition. I'm blown away. I also thought in the 90s you needed to have an airbag. So I don't know why this doesn't have one. This is a US market car, so I'm not 100% sure. Might have been like 95 had to be the first year for airbags. I don't know. Oh. Just I could drive this thing for hours. Oh. It's also the first fuel gauge I've ever seen that measures in gallons instead of just empty or full. It shows you how many gallons you have left. Oh my God. This is one of my favorite cars I've ever driven. This is, oh my God. I love the VR6. It's one of my favorite sounding V6 engines. It's so guttural and, just has that distinctive growl to it. This car. I love this car. This is freaking awesome. If they made this car today, oh. But you know, that might be why I love it so much. I love it so much because I know that I can't get this experience anywhere else. I know that this example is probably one of the last, you know, it's so clean that as these get used, or the ones that people just don't drive, yeah, I don't know. This is good. This is really, really good. was a Gen 1 Caravan. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.